In today's video, I'll show you guys the Callisto Protocol save game and config file location. All you have to do is press the Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. And find this Callisto Protocol folder, saved folder, save games folder. This is where all of the game progress will be saved. And now I'll show you guys how to pack up this game progress and copy this saved folder and paste it in another location. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress just by copy and paste it in this location. Replace the file the destination and your game progress will be back. Now I'll show you guys the config file location. Open the saved config Windows No Editor. Right click on game user settings and select edit in notepad. And here you can able to edit the in-game graphics settings. Select the file and select save and the settings will be saved in-game. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.